Alright, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create fast and effective YouTube thumbnails using Streamlabs Prime Dashboard. And if you guys have Streamlabs OBS and you are subscribed to Prime, which is $20 a month, which is worth it because there's so many tools that you can use for your streams. And they recently added YouTube thumbnails and logo maker, and that's located in your brand section right here. So you would go to your streamlabs.com dashboard, scroll down to your brand and YouTube thumbnails, and they have the new logo maker, and I'll be doing a video on that next. But for today, we're going to focus on the YouTube thumbnails, and we're going to be making a fast thumbnail. And usually what a lot of people do is they'll stream on Twitch, and then they'll take their Twitch clips or a highlight, or even sometimes people just take the whole live stream and then they'll upload it to YouTube. And then when you upload it to YouTube, YouTube will just assign a random thumbnail for your video, which is ineffective, especially if you're just uploading a video and you want to get clicks and it's just like a random thumbnail of your stream. It's not going to get any clicks. The main thing about a thumbnail, it has to be bright, it has to have big text, it has to be eye-popping, eye-catching, and this is pretty much what's going to get people to click on your video. So you want it to be big, bold, and bright, and something that is definitive of whatever you're playing. So we're gonna do a quick thumbnail on, there's a bunch right here you can select. Like if you guys play Call of Duty, you can, this doesn't have to be necessary for Call of Duty. You can use these for anything, but you can customize, you can change colors, and you can do a lot of things. So today I'm just gonna do a quick Animal Crossing one, and what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna be streaming some Animal Crossing. It's actually been a minute, but I wanna do, I'll do a quick little tutorial on how to make a thumbnail using the Streamlabs YouTube thumbnail creator. It's really easy. If you guys don't have any experience in like Photoshop or anything like that, you don't have to have any experience. It's really simple. They pretty much put a basic template for you to follow, and then you can customize it to your own settings. So this is like, it doesn't necessarily have to be for Animal Crossing. You can make this for whatever, but it's like that Animal Crossing text. So what we're first gonna do is we're gonna select our background. So you would click on this, select background, and then we'll go to edit background, and you can put whatever you want in the background. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload. Now you have to actually like click on the upload arrow, and then you go to uploads, and then you're gonna actually take whatever picture you wanna put into this thumbnail. So you're gonna click on upload, and then we are going to go to, my picture is on my downloads, and I'm gonna click on this picture. I just took a quick screenshot of my character in Animal Crossing, and I'm gonna just take this picture and make a quick YouTube thumbnail. But this is like the basis of having a YouTube thumbnail. I've seen people that they've uploaded their streams and it just has like a random, screenshot of their live stream. It's not really that effective. Like, I highly doubt you're gonna get clicks on it unless you're like a big name already. So you always want to have those catchy thumbnails. So as you guys can see, I uploaded my picture in the background by clicking on this select image, put it in the background, and then you're able to move this around. So I'm gonna move this, you hit edit background, and we're gonna stretch this, and we're gonna get my guy to be like the right size because we wanna be able to see him. It's kind of like a small screenshot. So we'll zoom him in a little bit. Something like that, and then we'll click this off, and that's looking really good. We're gonna push it over a little bit, push this down a little bit, And that looks great. Alrighty, see how simple that is? So all we did was we uploaded whatever thumbnail behind, right? And then we edited the background. That's the background. And then this is like an overlay image. So this whole Animal Crossing image is just overlaid on top of our screenshot of the game or whatever. So what we did was we just stretched it, resized it, moved it over, and then we clicked edit background, and now it's back to that again. So now we have effects. We can change the colors. So there's different selections of colors if you want to choose. Pink, black. And every YouTube thumbnail creator has like different effects and different colors you can use. But I am liking this original green right here. So we're gonna go with this green. And then we are going to scroll down, text. All right, and now this is our elements. We can add different things, like if you want to add an emoji, you can put like a little heart emoji. There's a whole selection of different emojis you can add. You can stretch them and put them where you want. You know, different things to make your thumbnail pop. So we have emojis, we have icons. If you have like an Amazon Prime, I think that's the Amazon logo. We have PayPal, Twitch. You know, you can make whatever you want on this. It doesn't necessarily have to be a YouTube thumbnail. It can be and then when we want to get rid of that, we just hit the little trash can. It can be a be right back screen. It can be a starting now screen. So what I'll do for this one, we'll do instead of it just saying Animal Crossing, we'll go down to the text. Actually, let's see what else we got here. We can add text. We can add another image. We can add, if you want to add a logo to this, you would click on image, upload whatever logo you would want to put on top of this. So for this, what we'll do is we'll do text. And instead of saying Animal Crossing, we'll do, yeah, you know what? We'll keep it Animal Crossing. So we don't even have to change any text. We'll keep it that simple, but you could change it to whatever you want for the purpose of the stream, which I'm really gonna do anyways, is just a be right back screen. So we can either write be right back, which might be a little big. We'll see how it looks on that. So what we did was we changed our text. We're gonna take this and then we can click on it and we can move it over, right? So now if you're playing Animal Crossing and you're streaming and you want a be right back screen, there you go. There's your be right back screen. You can put your little character, whatever you want. Be right back. You know, taking a quick break. You can change it to whatever you want. This could be Animal Crossing playthrough part 1. So for this, we're gonna do the be right back because I'm gonna probably use this for when I do stream Animal Crossing as a be right back screen. I got my little guy. Be right back. Looks amazing. Catches eyes. You know what I mean? This is more than just, this could be anything like I said. For the purpose of this, we'll do, it's gonna be a be right back for me, but for, you know, the video would be a YouTube thumbnail. So, you know, whatever text you would want for your YouTube thumbnail. And it's literally that simple, guys. Streamlabs is making it really simple for upcoming streamers who have no experience in graphic design and people that have no experience in logo creation. And they're giving us tools like this to utilize and, you know, make upcoming streamers stand out. And it's literally that easy. So now that this is all set, so we got our text, animal, be right back, got the be right back, and then you can even take this out if you wanted to. This is this little bar on the bottom. It's just customizable, you know, so not two people would have the same thing. Like you can, you know, have this, and then you can use this same thing for, you know, change the color, and then this could be for something completely different. Change the text, write whatever you want, and it's that easy. So, and then when you're finished, right, this is our final image, would be with the green. and this is all web browser based too. So this is not even like on the app. You're on your web browser, so you don't have to download any programs, which is another advantage to this. And we can even change the font color if we want. We can do whatever we want. I'm gonna go with the white. I like how the white looks. You can change the font. You can do whatever you want, like I said. So this is our final result right here. I'm liking how that looks. You go down here, download thumbnail. And then it'll go to our thumbnails. We'll do Animal Crossing. Be right back. And then you can download it it downloads as a PNG file. Downloaded, show in folder. See how this looks. And there it is, guys, our final image, our Be Right Back Animal Crossing thumbnail. And I'm gonna be using this for Twitch, but like I said, you could change it to whatever text you want. This could be Animal Crossing playthrough part 1 for YouTube as a YouTube thumbnail. But this looks great, high quality thumbnail that will get me to click. I know if I see something as professional as this, I'm gonna click on it. It looks professional. You can add your logo. It looks legit. The text is bold, it's big, and the colors are great. And like I said, it's just an easy tool for upcoming streamers who don't know anything about graphic design. And it just shows you how it just makes it easy to make a thumbnail in 5 minutes. So quick tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna be doing more streamer tips videos, different programs I recommend, different things I'm using, and that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing more videos like this. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you enable the bell notification so you guys know exactly when I upload a new video. And if you guys are on Twitch, check me out live on Twitch. I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 7 p.m. on Twitch. If you have any streamer questions, any streamer tips that you want, come to the stream, check it out. And that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. Till next time, Power Level Media, chosen one, out. Yes. Later, guys. Come on, give me a save. Oh my God!
You again?
Yep, he scared me. Right when you said boom.